Happy New Year. We are now in 2021, and I am here with Chaim today, and we are going to discuss liability insurance. So, can you tell us a little bit about what's changed since COVID?
Definitely. Happy New Year's. Chaim Berkovic from Skyscraper Insurance Services. It's amazing working together with Summer. We have done so much over the summer together with Summer, and right now we're looking forward for a strong and solid New Year's 2021, working together and bringing the best value to all of our clients. Actually, fun fact, I'm here in New York where it's freezing cold. Summer is down in Florida where it's nice and warm. So the name matches the weather. It's amazing. And about liabilities, what things are changing. So in terms of doing insurance, risk management firms, companies that assess risks, and as well big carriers that are constantly looking out the window and seeing what exposures are out there. There's always changing, especially with the generations going on. There are risks these days that weren't even a topic a couple of decades ago. But with 2020, it made us change so much. And there is also a lot of awareness, and the little guys as well opened their eyes and saw, wow, there's so much going on. For example, with COVID, so many companies got hacked because of all of their servers. So everybody was like knew behind the mind how important cyber liability is, but a lot of people unfortunately had to feel it on their own business. And a lot of small business statistics shows that 60 or 70% of small businesses that get hacked and they don't have proper coverage end up shutting their doors. Riots, civil disobedience, all these type of stuff, if you didn't have it as part of your property coverage throughout this crisis with the riots that were happening in certain major cities, people end up having major damages without proper coverage because they weren't aware about selecting these coverages by buying a policy and by overlooking their risk management. So the most important thing is not just to have, hey, I have a broker, I have someone, I have something over here, something over there. Have a professional that understands the industry and really cares for your bottom line. Overlook your overall risk, whether you're a small business, a medium, middle market company, a manufacturing plant, a professional, retail, wholesale, importer, doesn't matter which category, or even large companies. Make sure somebody's out there to review and assess the risk management, the exposures, and properly transferring the risk and purchasing the right coverage to protect you, your family, your companies, and your bottom line, that it should be a great future for you and what your vision is moving forward within your companies.
It is so important for business owners because sometimes, that's everything you have.
Definitely. Even whether it's everything you have or everything you worked for, it's important to have it properly covered 110%. And I enjoy these mini sessions. I really like this. And I think I take a pledge, and Summer is with me on this. A New Year's resolution is to raise awareness. A lot of brokers say that, and a lot of brokers start something and they don't cover it 110%. But no matter if you are, whichever size of business you are, if you need guidance, you need help, reach out to us. We want to raise awareness to address the proper coverage. We have access to large networks of professionals to direct you to the right people for certain risks, for complex risks. And we are here to help and make sure that people buy and understand what they're buying in a normal, timely manner, not when it's too late and people need to face real unfortunate and really uncomfortable situations. Let's stop that by raising the right awareness and continuously making these mini sessions addressing certain very important topics. For example, I have another thing that I've realized over and over again from our underwriting team, our calling center, and our inbound sales team. They have mentioned a lot of companies are calling up, hey, can I please get these basic hazard insurance? And we say, okay, what is it that you know? We have utilized these government loans, the EIDL loan, the PPP programs, and they never have taken the time to read through the requirements. And now the compliance are coming in, hey, you need to have coverage, you need to have this, you need to have that. Sometimes whatever you buy, whatever you do, make sure to read the compliance, make sure it's properly compliant, because people took these loans in June, in July, and they didn't have coverage. And in part of the contract, it says you need to have it from back then. So whatever you take, whether it's your tax professional, your financial professional, you need to rely on people, or you yourself make sure to do the proper homework. And let's say when it comes to satisfying a lender or SBA program like that, we are here to help and make sure that we read through the compliance, explain you what it is, and make sure we structure the right coverage that is compliant and satisfying the SBA program, and of course your protection that is necessary for your company. So all of these little nitty-gritty things, they get looked away. We service all across the United States. We have licenses all across the United States. But for example, every state has their laws, rules, and regulations. For example, New York, the paid family leave disability 2021, they will pick up. We make sure every client was contacted from our New York clients to have 110% accurate the DBL. It's a small nitty-gritty thing, but if you don't have it accurately, you can result in a penalty. Or down the road, when you need to use it for your employees, you don't have the adequate coverage. All these things are so important, and to have a firm, a company that is out there looking after you and on top of you while you focus what you do, that's so important. I always say, you focus what you do best, while we will do what we do best. Together we'll make the world a better place.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for being here tonight. And, I do think this is very important, and this is a good time of year. Things slow down now. I think this is a great time for people to review their policies. So let's come back on here maybe, once a week and do this again.
I would love nothing more than that. Thank you, and have a great rest of your weekend. And again, Happy New Year's to you, your family, and everybody around there. And also Happy New Year's to the world. May it be a better year and a stronger year, and it will be. Let's stay optimistic.
Let's hope. Thank you. Happy New Year.